Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. If you're a fan of stuff made with chocolate, then this recipe is for you. Today I'm making chocolate pancakes. They are perfect for breakfast, of course, but you can have them as dessert as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. First, in a mixing bowl, I'll crack some eggs and then I'll add some melted butter alongside with some milk. And then start mixing everything with the help of whisk and add some vanilla essence in this mixture as well. Then whisk until everything is completely mixed through. Then put this mixture on the side and now take a large mixing bowl and now on a sifter I'll add some all-purpose flour. The purpose is to sift all the dry ingredients. Then I'll add some cocoa powder. You can see I have a little helper in the kitchen right now and they love to do these kind of jobs. Then I'll add some baking powder and baking soda on the sifter and sift everything in this bowl. Then I add some granulated sugar, mix everything well until combined. Then make a well in the middle of these dry ingredients and add all the wet ingredients. Then with the very light hand, start mixing until everything is just combined. Do not overmix or do not worry about all those lumps in there. Now heat some butter in a fry pan and let it melt, and then with the help of measuring cup just pour the batter in the middle of your frying pan and let it cook from one side. When you can see the bubbles on top, it means it's time to flip, and then let it cook from the other side as well. I already shared tips and tricks on how to cook the pancake, and I will link that down below for you guys. Now if you want, you can add some chocolate sauce, ganache, and I am adding my homemade chocolate fudge on top of it. I will leave the link down below for that recipe as well. Now if you want, you can add some whipping cream on top, or you can serve it as a side with the side of fresh fruits. So this is how you can make this chocolate pancakes. As I said, if you and your family are fan of chocolate stuff like my family, you will love this recipe. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.